Hey guys, Bart from TST Industries here. In this video we're going to show you the installation of a Gen 2 flasher relay on a 2004 to 2006 Yamaha R1. This part will eliminate the fast flash rate associated with changing your signals to LED type signals. It's a plug and play part. It takes about 5 minutes to install. So let's begin. First step will be to remove the driver's seat here. The driver's seat is held on by 2 Allen head screws here. We'll remove those. Remove the seat, put it to the side. Now you need to identify the stock relay, which is housed right here. We will remove it from its keeper, and we will unplug it by pressing down on this tab and withdrawing it from the plug. Next we will remove the keeper from the housing of the relay. Now we can install the keeper onto the TST Industries relay. And we'll go ahead and plug it back in and place it in the OEM location. At this point, you can replace the seat and you're ready to go.